We have 2021 Toyota Highlander. Customer came in, said this speaker crackles. So we're going to open it up and find out why it's crackling. The first step is to remove this top triangle corner. Use a panel popper to remove. I have it out, so you're going to use a panel popper to remove that. Then we're going to remove this little cover by the release handle. And this cover right here. Let's see if this is coming loose underneath. No more screws here. But there is a little arrow right here. There's a cutout. So you're going to grab it here, and we're going to pull forward to release the door panel, entire door panel. So get a little pick tool, remove that panel. There is a Phillips screw there. And there's a screw there. This one? Another one there?
Yes. I've never been there.
I don't know about that. There's another one on the part of the switch panel. So a total of 3 screws you gotta remove. Cables. Short is light removed. See, this is actually a subwoofer, mid-bass speaker. You know, before you do that, let's try the sound first. Make sure that's what's vibrating.
Keep fighting voices.
So this is the original one that crackles. We have a replacement. It's a company called PowerBass makes the replacement speaker. This one comes with tweeter built in, even though the factory one didn't have. And same shape, everything is plug and play. They give you an adapter harness that goes in here, and that plugs in to factory harness direct. Isn't this the one?
No.
Right here, there is a hole right here.
1 feet.
Yes, right here.
1 feet.
What is wrong with you?
Only 1 feet.
No, it doesn't. Everything fits.
I try.
Yes, look, see?
Maybe it's upside down.
Is it upside down? It can't be upside down. Then you. I put another one right here.
Okay.
Thank you. Alright, so bottom one, we're going to have to make a new hole. We made a new hole. It doesn't line up. It's a thin metal, so you can use a self-tapping screws there.
Ese radio es del 2010.
We got all the cables back on. okay, I expect it.
Oh my god.
Where? They've been looking for him. Huh? That's it.